It's another Friday night in the club on ladies' night. Nothing really looking up, about to bounce to another spot. She appeared across the bar, such a badass superstar. Body like a race car, can we share a drink? It's on me. Pour a drink for my shorty right here, throw it down, give me the next dance. Cause I need me some ghetto romance. Tell your girls that you're rolling with me in the Bentley and you had to change your plan. Cause you need you some ghetto romance. Sippin Mo and Alize, tongue kissing, thinking about the love we could make. Gotta get her home, gotta make a move, gotta think of all the right words to say. Yeah, incredible, so incredible. Break you down, make you purr like an animal. You make me wanna lay you on the bar and give you this love. You're so sexy, it's killing me. Love, every little move you make, the way you make it shake, the way you back into me. You're so lovely, the way you dance with me. Let's go back to the bar and sip on something nice before we leave. Pour a drink for my shorty right here,